Hey, it's Messy Mayhem 99 once again, and today I'm going to present you our solar car. Now here we have three 1-volt solar panels, and the current is increased, and the voltage isn't as high, which slows the car down. And the car is quite slow, but very reliable, and on such a nice sunny day, it should work great. Here we go. Okay, now the cool thing is right here, I'll put my hand over it and it stops. And then I take it off and it goes. Stops, goes, and it never needs new batteries, of course, because it's a solar car. That's the cool thing about it. And that's the end of our video. Bye for now. I'm Messy Mayhem 99 and the filmer is Mr. Doozy. Please subscribe to both of us. Check out our channels. Rate and friend us. Bye for now. Thanks very much for watching.